Right, recently I had my first failure of an SD drive, and I've never had an SD drive fail on me ever, but the other day I had one fail when I was recording. I finished the recording, I spent about an hour doing this recording, took the SD drive out of the camera and plugged it into my PC, copied it over, got to 48% and it wouldn't go no further. Didn't matter what I'd done a repair on the SD drive, but it still wouldn't work. So I tried it in another computer, thought, you know, it might be that. So tried it in another computer, still the same problem. Tried it with a different card reader, and the same problem with that as well. So it didn't matter what I'd done, I just could not get that bloody information off of that bloody SD drive. So I gave up in the end. I contacted the manufacturer, and they told me, oh, we do a 30-year guarantee. All we need is proof of purchase, which I sent off, and some photographs of back and front of the card, and I sent it off, and that's gone off. So that's all done. So what I thought I'd best do is change the way I do my recordings and try a different SD manufacturer. So I've gone with this. This is Integral, and I think that's how you pronounce it. This is the Ultimate Pro. It reads at 100 megabits or up to 100 megabits per second, and it writes up to 90 megabits per second. It's 256 gigabytes of storage, and it's a U3 rated and class 10, which is what you're going to need if you're going to be recording in 4K, like I'm doing right now. And I bought two of these, and the reason I bought two of these because the ones I've got in the camera now, they're 128 gigabytes of storage, and the way it works is, or the way I've got it set up is, I record onto one, and when that one gets full up, it overflows into the second one. It carries on recording without any breaks. But because of the SD card failing, I thought, well, I can't do that. It's going to be unreliable, isn't it? Because if one of them fails, I've lost all that information. So what I'm going to do is record on both simultaneously, so they'll both get the same information. So if one fails, I've got it saved on the other one. Hopefully the other one won't fail as well. So basically a backup. A bit like, it's a bit like doing a RAID. So basically you've got a backup. So if one hard drive goes down, you've got another hard drive that's got all the information on it. That is exactly what I'm doing. So with that, shall we do the unpacking? Right, let's have a quick look at the packaging. Tells you the manufacturer, Integral. It says Ultimate Pro, Premium High Speed. It's a 4K Ultra HD. It reads up to 100 megabits per second and writes at 90 megabits per second. And it's 256 gigabytes of storage. And gives you some information on the back that I'm not going to bother reading out to you, because I'm like that. So with that, let's do the unboxing or the unpacking. Oh, something to bear in mind, if you're looking for 4K capabilities, you need to make sure it's 3U rated and class 10. And that basically tells you it reads right at higher speed than the standard one, as it shows you on the front. So with that, let's get her open. Move that one out of the way. Not sure how best to do this. They never show you how to get these out of the packaging, do they? So I'm just going to try and tear her open if I can. There she goes, and there she comes. Oh, not even in the thing. It's resting on top. So basically this is just to protect it. Nice looking, it's got a nice little shine to it. See that, can you? It tells you what it is so you won't forget. So it's 256 gigabytes, which is what I'm after, and also read-write speeds has to be fast. That's why it's saying it's an Ultimate Pro with the U3 and the class 10 inside as well. So brilliant. And you have a locking mechanism, and what that does, it stops you from accidentally deleting it, if I can remember correctly, because I've never used it, but I think that's what it does. So with that, we've got to stick it in my camera and set it all up. So I'm going to show you how I set it up on my camera as well. Right, first thing I've got to do is obviously remove the old ones. So just pop these out, so you have 1 and 2. Like so, put them to one side, and put the new ones in, and then I'm going to have to format it. So that's that one. I haven't undone this one yet. So just tear that baby open. Pop them in. So close it up, and then we've got to format it. So go into here, It should be under that. There it is up top there. So it's on the bottom one up top. So I'm just going to quickly format it. Slot 1 first. Unfortunately, you have to do them one at a time. It shouldn't take too long. That's done. Same again with the other one. Right, the next thing to do is set up the recording, which I do believe is in here as well. Double slot function, I think that's it there. So yeah, recording method is what we want. We've got destination slot 1 and 2 is how I've got it set up at the moment, but we're going to change that. So it says here, when selecting destination is full, automatically switches to the other card, which is what we're not going to do anymore. Backup record same photo video to both cards in one shot. That is what I'm going to be doing from now on. Click on that, and that's that done. Come out of there. That's it. Save restore settings. So we're going to save the settings. And that's done. Right, so that's it for this little video. Hopefully I won't get no more issues, fingers crossed. And like I said earlier, I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check out any of the parts. And also, if you have any comments or any suggestions, please post them below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Oh, what should I do with them babies now? Put them away for storage. Storage?